So I wake up to this, hear all this noise. The creek overflowed, and they can't get the kids out of the daycare. So I'm getting ready to show y'all how much water. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. So, you see the water? They got parents out here upset. See if I can zoom in. What are they going to do?
I don't know.
That's where the rock climbing place is. Can't get them babies out of that building.
Going up on the bridge, you know that water's high down there too. God!
They all live down there.
Oh, they got the boat already. Voice is long. That's what they're gonna do.
Oh. Food challenge.
Go back. Just preach Oh shit! Oh shit! I didn't know. Damn! Yo, look over there. It's running through there. Yo, it's probably never been this bad. Oh, I'm putting this shit on YouTube. ASAP. Damn.
Everybody, please say a prayer for these kids. They're trying to get a boat in here to get them, but this is up here where I live at. Rock Run. I live near the woods, but I heard water because I live near the water.
Did y'all see the rain splash?
Now, it ain't by our house, but everybody else that live out here, their backyard is destroyed. And like I said, the rock climbing place, the daycare, they can't get the kids out.
They're working on a solution.
Yeah, they got boats out here, but they might can't get it.
Oh, they're already.
Yeah, already. Yeah.
They probably opened that reservoir dam up, and that's their fault.
Yeah, you're right.
You know, when the dam gets high, they have to let the
Right.
water go. They did
Right,
that.
too.
That's what. That's the yard, right? The line.
Look how fast it's coming through there. That channel where they need to get to. Look how far fast